If you want to set up the alarm clock on OnePlus 15R, then what you can do is you can go ahead and open the clock app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer, and of course it is this one over here. And what you can also do is you can tap on the clock widget on the home screen. This allows you to go to the alarm clock as well. Over here at the bottom, just make sure that alarm is selected, and you should be able to find some couple of pre-made alarm clocks for you, which you can of course use without any issues. If you try to turn off an alarm, if it is a recurring alarm, then you should be able to turn it off just for tomorrow, or you can turn it off completely by choosing the turn off recurring alarm option. There we go. You can of course tap on these alarms in order to adjust them, in order to change the time when they should go off. We can also choose if the alarm is repeatable or not. You can actually turn it on for very specific days of the month. Of course, we also have a couple of different options like scramble, weekdays, and so on and so forth, or maybe just ring once. We can also set up the label or the text of the alarm. We can adjust the ringtone. We have vibration settings and snooze options. Tap on done in the upper right corner in order to save your alarm clock. And if you want to create your own one, then of course we can press this plus button at the bottom of the screen, and the rest is pretty much the same. You can also press and hold your finger in order to select an alarm. Of course, you can select multiple alarms after that, and then we can delete alarms that you no longer need on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.